All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious drink that I love. It's the cilantro cucumber refresher. You know, it's so easy to make juice at home, and it's so much better than buying them out of the store. You don't know how long it's been sitting there. You can control everything at home when you make your own. So today I'm going to be using cilantro, cucumber, some green apples to sweeten it, a lime, and a little piece of ginger here. Super health promoting ingredients, easy to throw together, and the taste is perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, and to make this juice, I'm using my KUVINGS juicer as usual. I love it because it's so easy to do. Just a little bit of prep. As you can see here, I'm not cutting much, and you load down the hopper and it's ready to do its thing. Now, since we're using cucumber, let's talk about some of the benefits of cucumber. They're great for bone health, great for tissue hydration. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which help with weight management. They're great for skin health, that you've probably heard. And they can even help to freshen breath. By chewing on a little piece of cucumber, it can kill the bad bacteria in your mouth that causes odor and leave your breath fresher.
Remember, when it comes to juices, fresh is best.